All right, we've got the YOF MX-OCL fogless mirror for your shower. It works on all sorts of surfaces, but it's just an amazing, it's a nice little mirror to have just in the bathroom, especially for shaving. But, you know, really just why not have this mirror in your shower? It's amazing. So easy to use. I'm going to set the mirror down for now. It also comes with this hook for your, if you're going to be shaving, to put your razor on. But I'm going to show you basically all you do. First, I'm going to do the mirror. Is there's this little film on the hook right here that you're going to hook the mirror to, and you're basically just going to peel that off, and you're just going to stick it on. Let's just stick it right here, right there. And so from here, I'm going to take the mirror. I need to clean it up a little bit, but there we go. So the mirror's up. Just very easy installation. I mean, as you can see, it took about 2 seconds or less. So that's amazing. And then if you want to do the razor holder as well, there's another, it's just another film on the back. Basically just peel it off, and you would just stick that, I'll just stick it right, just stick that right there. Why not? That's it. You're good to go. Now you have a mirror in your shower, fogless. Amazing. How many mirrors are fogless? This is amazing, amazing value. Highly recommend.